Hello everyone, in this video I'm going to show a step-by-step tutorial on how to change login password on PrimeXBT. So first we're going to go to our browser, then search for PrimeXBT. Then we're going to log in on the top right corner, then click on profile button on the top right corner, then on settings. Then again we're going to click on security. And as you can see there's the change password option. We're going to click on it. So we're going to write our current password, our new password, then we're going to confirm the password. Then as you remember, we have the Google Authenticator app, so we'll insert the code from there. Then once you're done, we're going to click on change. So that's how we change the password. I hope you guys like this video. Subscribe for more, like for more, share for more. I hope to see you again. Goodbye.